Hello everyone, today our video is gonna be about powerful computer shortcuts that will make your life easier. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, click and hold the Windows key, and then click X. As you can see, there are little dashes under some letter in each option. These are like indexes for the shortcuts. So what you should do is click the letter of the option that you want to navigate to. For instance, let's open the Device Manager. Hence, we should click M. There we go. Device Manager is now opened. Let's try another option. Press Windows plus X and let's open the system setting. So we click on Y button. And also you can open settings by clicking the N button. However, the most powerful combinations are those when you click on U and choose from these four. So if I want to restart my computer quickly, L will just click Windows plus X plus U plus R. It is that easy. I hope you got something from the video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.